the governor of Bauchi is saying that all the problems is having, I'm the one. That God has said I will put fire in your belly. So if you don't have such power, why are you fighting? If I have the power to put fire, so why are you fighting? Go and face your problem. You came to my state, I said, be careful. Leave my state alone. You wanted to impose party leader in my state. I said, you too, you will see the crisis. Today, he does not have a party to bring his successor. That is what I want them. If you know you don't have the strength to fight, why not arrest? Now, EFCC is facing them. He says to me, what's my business? What's my business? If your state is clean, go there to clean and clear yourself. What's my business? So, just to tell Nigerians that look, tell them to leave me alone. Go and face your problem. I'm only fighting with you as party leadership. I'm not interested in what you spend. You say I'm selling land. You were Minister of FCT 2010 to 2015. Why not tell people what you did in FCT? The whole land you sold it. Land grabbers. Do the roads. You awarded contract, you collect upfront. And now I'm the one completing all the projects. Nigerians are singing our names every day. That's why you're living. And we have done well. And we will continue to do well.
Thank you.
Anybody that has stroke is wicked. Anybody that has headache, wicked. Those who are in Sokoto, wicked. They're in Taraba, wicked. They're in Lagos, wicked. They're in Bauchi, wicked. So leave this wicked strong.
I see they bring them, you will see